Papua is a treasure trove of biodiversity, home to some of the most unique and diverse ecosystems on the planet. Papua forests are among the largest and most beautiful in the world and home to an incredible variety of flora and fauna. Papua is also known as a global center of biodiversity, home of thousands species, many of which are endemic and found nowhere else on Earth. Papua forests goes far beyond their ecological value. The forests play an important role in regulating the global climate by helping to mitigate climate change. These forests are critical to the livelihood of indigenous people who have depended on forests for generations for food, shelter, and cultural practice. Papua forests are ecologically important because it's serving as a center of biodiversity that supports countless endemic species and complex ecosystems. Forests in Papua act as important carbon sinks that help to mitigate climate change and play an important role in regulating the water cycle and preventing soil erosion. For local communities, these forests are vital. They provide foods, medicines, and materials which are strongly connected to the cultural identity and traditional practice. Indigenous communities rely on the rich resources for their livelihood, while their traditional ecological knowledge encourage sustainable management. Papua region has historically faced massive deforestation caused by a variety of policy. During the New Order, large-scale logging concessions were granted, leading to massive deforestation and habitat destruction. The push for agricultural expansion, particularly oil palm and other grass crops, further made a mess of the situation. Policies supporting transmigration encouraged settlers to clear forests for agriculture, disrupting local ecosystem and indigenous community. Despite attempts at sustainable management, this historical practice have resulted in a significant loss of forest cover, threatening biodiversity and local livelihood. In recent years, Indonesia has experienced concerning rate of deforestation, and Papua has been significantly affected. Between 2000 and 2020, Papua lost around 1.5 million hectares of forest, which represent a loss around 1.5% total forest cover each year. This rapid deforestation is mainly caused by logging and agricultural expansion, particularly in palm oil plantation. The environmental impacts are proven habitat destruction, threatens endemic species, disrupt local ecosystem, and contribute to increased greenhouse gas emission. Deforestation in Papua has wide-reaching impact, particularly for indigenous people. As forests are cleared for logging and agricultural expansion, many local communities face displacement from their ancestral lands. This loss of territory not only disrupt their homes but also threaten their traditional livelihood, which rely on forest resources. The impact on cultural identity is equally significant. Forests are integral to the spiritual and cultural practice of many indigenous groups. Their loss evolves disconnection, leading to loss of cultural heritage when communities are forced to adapt to new environment and economic system. They often struggle to maintain their traditional ways of life. The cycle of displacement, livelihood loss, and cultural erosion highlight the urgent need for sustainable land management practices that respect the rights and knowledge of local communities and ensure their voices are heard in conservation efforts. Government policy and corporate interests play an important role in driving deforestation in Papua. Large companies, particularly in the palm oil and timber industry, exploit these policies during concession that led to extensive forest deforestation. Partnerships between government and company often ignore the right of indigenous community, resulting in land grabbing and habitat destruction. As a result, while this policy might increase short-term economic benefit, they contribute to long-term ecological damage and social injustice. Papua is home to iconic species such as Paradise kasuari and various marsupials which contribute to the region's ecological richness. Conserving Papua forest is therefore not only important for the environment but also for the cultural heritage and future of indigenous community. Protecting this precious ecosystem is important to ensure the sustainability of nature and the communities that depend on it. Every action is count. We can raise awareness about the fact of Papua forest and protect this vital ecosystem for future generations.